Anyway, moving on. In our next story, still on health, a Nigerian man is in mourning after his pregnant wife and unborn child reportedly died during a surgery in Owerri. The man claims that during the procedure, the doctor and staff turned to YouTube videos for instructions on how to operate instead of relying on their professional training. Now, of course, this tragic incident has sparked outrage and raised serious questions about the quality of medical care and the use of digital resources in critical surgeries. Let's take a look at his account, the husband of the incident that happened to his wife.
Brought your wife to the hospital. What happened?
When I brought my wife to the hospital, when she was in labor, the doctor said they need to carry up an operation to her because she was bleeding.
Okay.
So she.
And you were in the theater?
Yes.
You are
I
there?
in the theater because I signed. I was in the theater. So she have to call another doctor to come operate her.
So when the doctor came, what happened?
They were using phone, watching phone, looking how to operate.
From where? YouTube?
From YouTube. And
wait,
Daddy.
They were watching YouTube to operate human beings?
My wife.
And at the cause, what happened?
At the cause of that, I lost my wife and my baby.
Hey.
May the soul of his wife and his child rest in perfect peace. I'd love to take some tweets about this. Chima says, at least students... Oh, this is, unfortunately, there's been a mix-up over here. But I have to say, Veronica and Ibrahim, there are some very clear lapses in Nigeria's healthcare system, as we've seen in these two stories. The coordinating minister for health, Mohammed Ali Pate, is saying people are coming to Nigeria for amazing healthcare, whereas you have a civilian victim who is saying, look what they did. They were turning to YouTube to deal with my wife and my child during surgery. This is abysmal.
Absolutely, it's so quite abysmal. Yes, I want to agree with Professor Ali Pate, you know, that people are coming into Nigeria. Yes, I can mention two hospitals from the top of my head that are doing very well. One of them has a retainership with TVC News. But then these are private hospitals that you have people coming in. How about the government hospitals, the primary health care center? Just Friday, Veronica, remember I told you I lost a family member after he was diagnosed wrongly in a general hospital. They had to take him to another hospital. In fact, the same hospital, two doctors are coming with conflicting reports.
Diagnosis, yeah.
Yeah, diagnosis. So it's so sad. But again, someone watching YouTube to perform surgery on a patient, well, there has to be very much investigation done into this matter. Was it telemedicine? Because the doctor might be, having conversation with another doctor, because there's this telemedicine that they are introducing.
That wouldn't be on YouTube. That's not, that wouldn't be on YouTube.
I checked the person talking. We didn't see the video, actually. No, I'm just giving a second thought. But I'm not saying that what happened was right, but they need to do proper investigation.
I am infuriated by that story. It is wrong if you know you are not qualified to carry out a surgical operation on anyone. Why would you experiment with someone's life and child? That is wrong. This man should pursue justice to the very end of it, and people should support him whichever way they can.
Absolutely.
Because a child is dead, his wife is dead.
Is gone, yeah.
And I abhor the fact that it was a civilian, it was a social media activist interviewing him. The right authority should have been there as soon as that happened, as soon as he cried out for help. They should have been investigating this, putting out statements.
Is this a real hospital? Or is this someone's arrangement in the house saying, I can help you out? These are questions that we need answers to.
And apparently...
At the same time, there has to be proper investigation done into this matter. And this person, if found wanting, must be brought to justice.
I look forward to giving an update that the right authorities have stepped in and intervened in this matter. It's so sad. Right.